One guys, so I saw a nice trade opportunity on VIX 25 1S index, and I would want us to analyze this index together in today's video. Price action basically, we're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, spotting our possible entry point, our possible trade level here. And this higher time frame we'll be analyzing from can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. So I would want us to analyze starting from the monthly time frame basically. So on this monthly time frame, you can see that this index has been bullish for some time now. You can see this bullish run we've got on this index. This index has been bullish for a very long time now. After we got break of this, so would say throughout this year, this index has been on a bullish run since the beginning of this year. Checking when we got this breakout, which was on January to date, we've had this massive bullish move, and we could see the next future in the coming months. We could see this index come give, we could see price come give a retest of this zone, this broken level here. Price come give a retest of this zone for bullish continuation, because this index is bullish. This index is in an uptrend. We got this higher lows formation here on the monthly time frame, and this higher highs here as well. So technically, this index is in an uptrend. So we should focus on what buy opportunities. But on a higher time frame, the chart is showing a possible retest of our buy zone, possible retest of this zone for the buys here. So everything is looking good basically on VIX 25 1S index. So here on the weekly time frame, we have a level here. We have a level at that point, which is our next nearest level. Aside expecting price to sell to this point to give a retest of this zone, price to sell to this zone, we could get short-term bullish move on this index, on this current price zone, because this index is an uptrend. So the buyers will be more favored on this index. So we could see price do what, play around here before dropping. So we're looking to take advantage of the short-term trade opportunity on this index. So we could get a retest of this zone. Market has already retested this level here. This high that got broken. We've seen price creates a low, a higher low, a higher low. And we expected to see a new higher low. This for price to come back to these highs, to give a second retest of these highs for the sell continuation, for the sell move, for price to come test this zone for the long-term buys. Yeah, we could see something of this kind. Markets pushing up from this current price level to test this zone, then price dropping for the buys. That's my projection on this index. Yeah, because we've seen price create what's higher lows here and higher highs at this point as well. So a new low is being formed, which we could see price come give a retest of this highs, creating a double top formation for the sell reversal, then long-term buys expected. So my prediction is short-term buys for short-term buys, short-term sells, then long-term buys to trade with the general market direction on this index. So on a lower time frame, I saw a nice trade opportunity. On the 4-hour time frame, yeah, I saw a nice trade opportunity on the VIX 25 1S index. When we you can see on this chart that we got this index on a downtrend. It's clearly seen here. This index is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So we have to take note of this market trend on this higher time frame, on this 4-hour time frame chart. So on this 4-hour time frame, you have a zone here too, which you have to spot. We have a zone at this point. We've got price. Expect this zone support. So this is a possible level of support that price just broke below. Give a retest and getting the sell. So markets could what, come give a second test of this zone, possibly giving a break above this trend resistance for a retest of this zone, because this is a strong level here. This is a strong level here. This is a strong level of got price. We expect a couple of times. Can see price selling on that, buying on that level as a support here as well. Strong level of support. Then we got the sales here as a resistance. So markets may not respect this level as a resistance, but still you should pay attention to this zone as well, So if price can manage to break above this level, give a retest on this zone, we're looking for another buy opportunity from this point for price to get to our highs. Then we expect the sells. This highs will be giving a double top formation on a higher time frame. Price giving a test of these highs, yeah, of these highs we got here. We'll be giving a double top formation on a higher time frame, like the 3 time frame I think. So we have this my trade projection on this index price pushing above this zone, this breaking this trend resistance and giving a test of it for the buys. So in order to get into this trade, in order to take advantage of this buy opportunity, I have a zone I spotted on the 1 hour time frame, which is this zone here. This a possible buy zone on this index price, but market pushing down a little bit for the buys, pushing down to this level for the buys. That's my projection on VIX 251S index. Right, if price can manage to push down to this zone, I'll be looking to buy in this index. And we have an order block formation here on this same 1 hour time frame, which we have to acknowledge, which you have to pay attention to. So a test of this other block, I'll be looking to buy in this index, taking a good buy trade to the upside on VIX 251S index. So that's my analysis on this index. That's my view. And we also got this formation here on the 1 hour time frame, which is higher lows formation and higher highs formation, which is a bullish structure. So if price can manage to give a test of this zone, test of this level, then we'll be getting a good buy trade to the upside on VIX 251S index. So that's my view and analysis on this index correction. Basically, I'm looking out for short-term buy opportunity. Then I'll be shorting this index if market can get to our zone for the sell. This zone here, if price can get to this zone, I'll be shorting this index. And we could still see possible sells from this zone as well, because we have an order block on this 4 hour time frame chart. We have an order block here, so we could see price selling from this point, giving the sales from this zone. Could see price selling, dropping from here. Instead of giving a clear breakout, we may get a fake out move here. Then we get price do what? Sell to the downside from that zone. Sell to the downside from that zone. That's what we could see market do before we can get the price. Remember, we're looking out for what? Buy opportunities. Looking out for buy opportunities on a higher time frame at this point. And for price to get to this zone, you have to expect price to drop. You have to see the sales on this index. So that's what I'm looking at for basically on fixed 251S index. And confirming our buy zone on a lower time frame, this 15-minute time frame. Confirming this buy zone here, this buy level, we'll be bringing up our Fibonacci 2, matching it up from the swing lows to the swing highs. You can see that our 61.8 Fibonacci level is in line with our buy zone, which is a good retracement sequence on the Fibonacci 2. So that's my analysis and view and market analysis. That's my prediction basically. Let's go out for buy opportunities on this index. I'm looking to buy this index here from this point, holding the buys at least to this zone. And if I'm to take this buy trade, I would give you guys an update on how this trade played out. For more market breakdowns like this and market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engaging my videos. Really miss a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a day.